Hello everyone, welcome to another insightful session on Python programming. Today we are diving into an intriguing poll question we recently posted on LinkedIn. Here is the question that had many of you scratching your heads. What is the data type of A in the following Python code? The options were invalid Python code, int, string, float. Let's decode this step by step and uncover the right answer. Here A:int is a type hint. In Python, type hints allow you to specify the expected data type of a variable. However, they are not enforced at runtime. Now equal to 10 assigns the string 10 to the variable A. Now here is where it gets interesting. While the type hint suggests that A should ideally be an integer, Python doesn't enforce this. Instead, it allows the assignment of a string to A. So in this case, the actual data type of A is not int, it's string, because of the value 10 assigned to it. Surprised? Let's dig deeper. Some of you may have chosen the option invalid Python code, and I get it. It's tempting to think that Python would throw an error here. But remember, Python is dynamically typed. Type hints are a way to guide developers and tools like linters. They don't restrict or validate the value assigned to a variable during execution. Let's verify this by printing type of A, which will display the data type of A. You can run the code by clicking the play button on the right side. You will see the output as class string, confirming that the data type of A is string, despite the type hint. This question highlights an important concept in Python, the difference between type hints and dynamic typing. Type hints are for documentation and tooling support, not for runtime enforcement. Dynamic typing means a variable type is determined by the value it holds at runtime. Understanding this distinction is crucial for writing clean, maintainable Python code. Now you know why the data type of A in this code is string and not int. If this poll stumped you, don't worry. That's all part of the learning journey. Want to participate in more poll questions like this? Follow our LinkedIn page. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ITversity for more insightful videos. Let's keep learning together. This is Satish Namu signing off.